So, turned out to be a beautiful day now that the clouds are gone. It is January and I'm out in the garden and I actually have this. Now this I won in Survival Seeds 2024 from Dale Homestead. She sent me this, and what it is, it's a lighter. So it has a little slider, and then you just push the button and you can't actually see that spark, but there is a spark there. And I am going to light these bags of paper that I have left over from making cards. I've been making cards lately that I'm going to sell. They're funny and sassy and fun, so let's see if it works.
Jesus.
Come on.
That works good.
Oh, we have flame.
You got,
Hmm?
nothing. Let's see how that works out. That works out good, doesn't it? I don't believe it.
What? Ah!
Yeah, what do you think?
It worked.
Yeah. You got. You do. You would be fucking dangerous. I tell you.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Look at that.
It's a fire.
Yeah. You're lucky it's winter and we're soaking wet.
Well, that's why I'm doing it today.
Yeah, right.
Because it is soaking wet. It's not windy at all.
And what you do is you can't. God,
You're saying I should have opened them and just dumped the paper out first?
you think?
Maybe.
You're.
I didn't think that far ahead.
That's normal with you. Oh, I didn't think about that.
Oh, yeah, I didn't. I guess I could have.
Look at all this now.
It's just paper. It's going to burn right up and go out and just leave some ash. The ash can even go in the garden. It's just paper.
All I gotta say, I'm sure glad it's wet.
Well, me too.
Yeah, me too.
Look at these are steaming.
Oh, geez, I wonder why.
It's from the heat from the fire.
It's like, you got
Good thing they're
a
soaked too.
forest fire going on here. And, oh, my thing is getting hot.
I should come out here and get this echinacea out of here and bring the roots in and stuff. And
Why?
because the echinacea root is supposed to be really good for you. Still hoping we get some frost. Let's take a quick look around the garden. The only thing I really have growing are onions. Those are some Walla Wallas that are left from last year. They'll come through the winter. And here, these are my walking onions. And yeah, they're doing fine. Here's my lemon balm. And look at it, it's got new growth coming out here. Everything's died off from last year. Here I have some more onions. The asparagus. I should probably come out and chop that down, just let it lay there. Oh, I have an onion back there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's an onion back there. This will all get pulled out in the spring. These are my peppers, and that is a dead marigold. That's a honey.
I thought you were doing this.
Well, you took over so nicely. Oh, look! Look, look, look! I have garlic! I'm so excited. I was out here crying the other day because I wasn't seeing any of my garlic pop up. But here now are a few that are starting to come up here. So, yay! That's an excellent sign. You can see we've got those little copper rods all through the garden now. Dave made them for me. And here the strawberries, they need to be cleaned out. But you know, they say you shouldn't clean your garden out until springtime, because all of the bugs and whatever go down in there and make their homes and hibernate for the winter. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. There's nothing planted in here. Some old marigolds. And here, look at my chamomile. It apparently is a year-round plant here in British Columbia. It's just little vines right now. I don't know that it'll get any bigger. Here's the greenhouse, obviously closed. Dave is sending stuff all up in the sky.
What?
I said Dave is sending stuff all up in the sky. And then let's see, well, here's my, it looks pretty awful right now, but here's my oregano that I never did cut back in the fall, but you can see, look at down there, it's all coming up new. So one of these days I'll come, but like I said, I don't want to do it until spring. I want to let anything that's hibernating down in there stay hibernating. So yeah, there's my rosemary, one of my lavender plants, my thyme. My sage is looking pretty sad and pathetic too. I'll probably need to cut it right down again, or maybe it's time to, I don't know, how long do you keep a sage bush? I don't know. Yeah, that's where the garden is right now.
Yeah.
Still hoping for some frost.
I'll do a Lorrie.
You'll do a Lorrie? Just gonna throw the whole thing on there?
Watch.
Watch. Poof! It's gonna go poof!
I guess not. Let me help it.
Whoosh!
You can tell that's awful wet in there because it wouldn't even start that wood on fire.
Oh yeah. It's been raining for
Years.
Did you empty the rain gauge?
Yeah.
Okay, how much was in it, or was it just full?
It was already empty once.
I emptied it.
Yeah,
I emptied it the last time I came out here.
it hasn't rained much after that.
It was full. It was overflowing.